let's discuss about the Chinese civilization. The country that lies to the east of India is China. The yellow complexioned Mongolian tribes are the ancestors of these people. Yangtze, Sikyang and Hongho rivers are the prominent rivers of this region. So they are called the cradles of the Chinese civilization. Initially they ruled from the villages. Gradually they developed foreign trade by growing paddy and silk. Let's know about Chinese political history. The first ruling family was the Shang dynasty. It ruled in the period between 18th century BCE and the 12th century BCE. The prosperity of Shang people depended on agriculture. The Chinese had mastered the craft of producing bronze and porcelain dishes. The Shang dynasty was replaced by Zhou dynasty, which ruled for a longer time. Wu Wang was the famous king of Zhou dynasty. The well-known philosophers Confucius and Lord Ji lived in this period. Qin dynasty came to power after Zhou dynasty. The name China is derived from Qin dynasty. Now we'll know about the King Shi Huangdi. He was a famous king of Qin dynasty. He unified China and brought it under uniform law. He is called as the first emperor of China. He built a 1500-mile long Great Wall of China to protect China from the onslaught of enemies. China was ruled by Han dynasty after Qin dynasty. This period considered as the golden age in China. Now we'll study about the king Wu Tian. He was the famous king of Han dynasty who established a vast empire. Foreign trade gained importance under his rule. There was a great demand for silk in Rome. As a result, the trade route between China and Rome became famous as the Silk Route. Buddhism entered China during this period. Art and literature received great patronage during the rule of Han dynasty.